Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off notifications in Terabox app. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off your Terabox app notifications on your phone, we will not be doing from the Terabox app itself, but from the settings of our phone. So to do that guys, open the settings of your phone and now the Terabox app itself. And after opening the settings of your phone guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option over here. Just above the location you can see the apps. Tap on it, and when this interface appears, tap on the app management button at the top of the screen, and let's wait for this page to load. And over here guys, after the page loads, search for the Terabox app by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen, and let's search for it. And let's open the Terabox app from over here. And you can see guys over here, in order to turn off the notifications, you can see there is the manage notifications option available for us. Tap on the manage notifications option over here, and over here you can see the allow notifications option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the allow notification, and when it turns off guys, your notifications from the Terabox app will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off Terabox notifications. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.